Hello, thank you for joining me. Today the question here says find angle x below. Now, for us to find this angle, I think I would like to make something clear here so that we can really get there. If I look at this straight line here, this is a straight line. If this is 68, sum of angle on a straight line is 180. So for me to get this angle, I'm simply going to say 180 minus 68. And that will give me 112 degrees. So that means this angle is 112 degrees. So that adding the two of them together give us 180, which is sum of angle on a straight line. Now, something else I would like to do here is to try and show us isosceles triangle in this diagram. If you look at this line here from the center to this point, this is a radius. From center of a circle to the circumference of a circle is a radius. Just as from center to circumference here is also a radius, and then from center to circumference here is also a radius. So because of this, you agree with me that this is an isosceles triangle because the two sides here are equal. And this is also an isosceles triangle here because the two sides here are equal. So this triangle is also an isosceles triangle. Now, if you look at this third line here of this triangle, is equal to the third line of this triangle. So in these two triangles that we have, all their three sides are equal. Can you see it clearly? These two sides are radius, radius, and radius, radius. So these two sides are equal, these two sides are equal. And then the third side of the triangle too, for the two triangles, are also equal. So you agree with me then that these two triangles are exactly equal triangles because all their corresponding sides are equal. So they are two equal triangles. And in two equal triangles, all their angles are equal. All their angles are equal. So this is a base radius x. So it will also be equal to this base radius because it's an isosceles triangle. The base radius of an isosceles triangle are equal. So base radius of an isosceles triangle are equal. Similarly, because these two triangles, because this triangle is also equal to this triangle, it means that the base angles of this one will also be equal to the base angle of the other one. So I also have x and x, x and x, because they are all equal triangles, the two of them. So now, finally, I'll look at this four-sided figure. A four-sided figure is a quadrilateral. So this four-sided figure is a quadrilateral. So I'm going to add all the angles, all the four angles of this four-sided figure. So let me start by taking this first angle x. Then plus, let me take this second angle of the quadrilateral. This is the second angle, this full angle, so which is x plus x. So that x plus s will give us 2x. And then I take the third angle of the quadrilateral x, so I say plus x. And then finally, I take the fourth angle. So this is the fourth angle of the quadrilateral, which is 112 that we got initially. This 112. So this is the fourth angle of the quadrilateral. 1, 1, 2. Now, in a quadrilateral, all the angles, all the four angles of a quadrilateral add up to give us 360 degrees. So with this now, I can collect like terms. X plus 2x is 3x plus x. That will give us 4x. So I have 4x plus 112, and that will be equal to the 360 that we have there. So I can now collect terms on the other side that are similar. So I can leave the 4x on this side, 4x, and it will be equal to 360, which is already on this side. And then when this positive 112 crosses to the right hand side, it becomes negative 112. and 12. So with that now, I can simplify by saying 4x will be equal to 248. 240. So 360 minus 112 will give us 248. And then for me to get x finally, what I simply need to do is to divide both sides by 4, and I divide this side by 4. So that will finally give me the value of x, because these 4 cancel 4. So I have x will be equal to 248 divided by 4. 4 in 24 is 6, and 4 in 8 is 2. So the value of x is 62, and that is a final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to join me in my next video. Thank you for watching.